Hi, I'm Steve McDonald. I'm so excited that you're here, and I'm so thankful that you joined this course. I love teaching. In fact, I'm currently teaching over 12 courses on Udemy. My talent is taking complex subjects and making them easy and accessible. Here's a quick intro to the things I'm going to be teaching you in this course. The first thing I'm going to be covering is Excel for beginners. So in this section, I'm just going to cover the basics. I'm going to cover how to use templates, how to enter your data into a spreadsheet, and how to navigate around Excel. I'm going to teach you how to use the Excel ribbon, which is the ribbon you see here across the top. The ribbon is essentially where all of your tools are. So I'm going to show you where things are and what you can accomplish with those different tools. I'm going to cover saving and printing your Excel spreadsheets and worksheets. I'm going to teach you how to create a spreadsheet from scratch. We're going to create a kitchen remodeling worksheet that does some simple calculations, some addition, some multiplication, and I'll show you how to alphabetize your list of materials. I'm going to show you how to create some formulas to make doing those calculations quicker and easier. And then finally, I'm going to introduce you to creating charts. We're going to create a pie chart, a column chart, a bar chart, and a line chart to visually represent your data. So I'm really looking forward to teaching you, and I'm excited to get started.